Add user in Windows 11. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to add a new user to your Windows 11. Already have a user but want to create another? The process is pretty straightforward, folks, so let's get started. Down here in the search bar, type user. You can type user in your language, no problem. Here, folks, it'll give you some options. Look for settings, the other users option. Click on it. In other users, folks, click on add account at the top. Here you'll enter the person's Microsoft email. If you don't know it, just click I don't have this person's sign-in info below. Here, folks, it asks you to create an account, a Microsoft account. You have the option below to add a user to your computer without a Microsoft account by clicking this option. If you want to create, no problem, but if you want to create without a Microsoft account, this is the option. Just click. Here you'll enter the name for this user. Below, you'll create a password. Enter the password for this user here and confirm it below. There's also an option to create without a password, if you prefer. Just click Next here. And there you go, folks. The user has been created here in Windows 11. By default, it's created as a local account. If you want to make it an administrator, click on this arrow here. Click on Account Options. Change account type, this option. Change from standard user to administrator, just click OK. And that's it, folks. Got it? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.